Good afternoon. I'm going to talk about the vowel I. The vowel I is one of the 5 main vowel sounds in the English language. The E vowel sound is articulated with the tongue position high and towards from the front of the mouth. As you can see in this image, the tongue is high and toward front of the mouth, And specifically, it's considered a closed vowel. You know, the vowel I divided into groups, the open vowels and closed vowels. The open vowels are the vowels that you can open your mouth when you are pronouncing this. And the close, you can open a lot. For example, the letter E, as you can see, E. And means that the tongue is close to the roof of the mouth. And a front vowel, meaning the highest point of the tongue is towards the front of the mouth. So, when producing the E sound, the tongue is raised towards the hard plate, which is the front part of the roof of the mouth. This creates a narrow construction in the oral cavity, allowing air to pass through relatively unobstructed, producing the characteristic E sound. The vowel E is characterized as a voice or a vowel. This means that the vocal cord vibrates when you produce the sound. For example, when you say E, you feel the vibration of the cord. When you put your hand in your hood, you can pronounce the E and you feel the vibration when you say E. When you pronounce the E sound, your vocal cord come together and vibrate, producing voice sound. When producing the vowel I, the lips are typically red and or round, like this. E. This means that they are not rounded like they would be for vowel sounds such as or oo. Instead, the lips are kept relatively neutral, with no rounding or puckering. It's part of the lax vowels because it's characterized by less muscular tension and shorter duration compared to tense vowel. The vowel I in English is typically considered a sample vowel, not a diphthong. A sample vowel is a single, unchanging sound produced without any glide or movement. is high from around the power I. This is the primary allophone of the phoneme. In English, it is produced with the tongue high and down, as I said before, the front of the mouth, without rounding the lips. Example include the double E, some in C, and the E, and some in meat. Near from around the vowel E. This is a slightly lower and more centralized version of the E sound. It is found in words like big or sick. This allophone is often used in unstressed syllables or in rapid speed. Unstressed I. In some dialects of English, particularly in American English, the E sound can be produced as a lax version of itself in stressed syllables. This lax allophone of I or E can be heard in words like police or vinegar, where the first syllable is often produced with a last I. The vowel I in English can be compared in contrast with other similar vowel sounds like big, bite. By comparing and contrasting I with this similar or contrasting sound, we can better understand its unique characteristic in the sound system of English. Here are some similar or contrasting sounds like sheep raised in the green field, where the wind whispers softly through the tree. He needs to clean the kitchen before his friend arrives. The kitten